I'm going to show you how I cook curry chicken foot reducing coconut milk. Right here I have my chicken foot soaking in some lime water. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the nails. Make sure you cut off the nails. The nails are not eatable. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with this process, and when I'm finished, I'll come back. Alright, so this is my last toe to cut. This is the chicken foot look clean and nice. It's very rare that I get chicken foot and I get this back part out, honestly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put them back into the lemon water and wash them again. Alright, so when it's time for season, I'll be right back. Alright, so it's season time. You ready? Let's get into it. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. When I say a little bit, I mean a little bit because we're going to be adding my complete season, and that also have salt in there. Some black pepper. Powder, and I'm adding roughly around half a teaspoon of everything that you see me put in here. So half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion and I'm going to go in with my complete season. This is a teaspoon right here, so we're going to use 2 teaspoons. Two teaspoons right there, and then we're going to go in with our curry. And I'm going to be using 1.5 teaspoons of curry. Then I'm also going to be adding some turmeric in here as well. A little goes a long way. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get my handy dandy spoon and just start mixing everything together. Put my curry, and some people like to burn their curry. With this one, I'm not going to particularly do that. I'm also going to be adding as well, less than a teaspoon, just the same amount as the some garlic. I want to go ahead and add my pepper as well. Just mix all that goodness up. The turmeric and the curry smells amazing. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. I'll be back in 20 minutes when it's time to dash my food up in the pot. going to let it burn itself in the pot. Alright, let's take a look on our pot. Alright, see what I tell you, it's going to spring up its own little water. This is exactly what we want to see. We need to add some water to this because we want our chicken foot to cook properly. Alright, so the same dish that I seasoned my chicken foot in, I'm going to go ahead. I mean, you can make the liquid at the bottom, put them some more, but it's really thick, so I got things to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the water to it at this point. Also add your brown seasoning. Right here I have some onions, some sweet pepper, tomato, some fresh thyme. Guys, my mom got these from her garden. Look how fresh and beautiful these look. And remember, we already had some ginger. I remember we already add some pepper in the beginning. And I'm also at this point going to be adding some coconut milk. I have the powder milk, so I'm going to go ahead and add the powder milk all over it. I know. It don't look right now, but chill now. Chill and trust the process now. Let's mix up all this goodness together. Now you have to make sure, so your chicken foot cook properly and tender, okay? So I'm going to cover this for about 30 minutes. I'm going to cover this for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to come back and check to see if my chicken foot is tender. If it's not tender, then I'm going to go ahead and add some more water to my pot because you want the chicken foot to be so tender when you put it in your mouth, it melts away. Alright? Alright, so I'll be right back. I had come earlier and check on it and give it a taste test. If you look at the chicken foot really closely, you can see that it's not ready yet. Okay, it's not ready yet. The meat doesn't look tender or anything. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to add some warm water to this so it could cook some more. Okay, just add some warm water, mix all that up. And then at this point, I'm going to add my yummy butter bean. Now, this is the butter bean that I have. I had cut the can and take and wash the beans. Stir the butter bean. Right. So I'm going to let this continue cooking for another good 20-25 minutes. Then I come back and check on my chicken foot to see if it's nice and tender. Alright, so I'll be back. Chicken foot is soft, ready to eat. The gravy tastes amazing. I'm going to go ahead and pair this with some rice. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that like button. Until next time, bye. Y'all see, I can't even talk properly because my mouth is running water. Like, I cannot wait to tear this up with some